Today on How It's Made.
100K box videos. So first, you have to come up with a video idea. I usually either come up with one on the spot, or I just have to list some stuff out and see what works. Then, when you come up with the idea for your video, you're gonna want to get the footage and all the other stuff for your video. You either have to go download it all or record it. It depends on what the idea I had was for the video. In this case, I'm gonna use the last video I made for simplicity's sake. So I just had to download all the stuff for the video. You can see here all the files, the Chinese RuneScape, hacker rant.
Like that. And you know what he even did? I logged on Facebook.
Now it's time to edit everything you have together. Note: you don't always have to edit it though. I can sometimes get away with uploading the raw footage depending on what it is. So
Stuff like that. And you know what he even did? I logged on Facebook.
now that we have the final video all rendered, it's ready to upload and to be seen to the world. So let's take one of these videos as just a placeholder, since and then just put our title, description and everything. And while it's uploading, I like to go to Photopea and make the thumbnail. Just go here and make the thumbnail. That's pretty much it. Like and subscribe for more videos.